Okay, here's the best one we've seen in a while. 2019 CRVEX, all-wheel drive, obsidian blue pearl, gray interior. The best part about it, it's a one-owner, 26,000 mile vehicle. That's right, only 26,000 original miles on a 2019 Honda CRVEX. This car is packed with features. If you know anything about the CRV, you know the EX model is a great middle of the road, lots of features, very safe, very reliable vehicle. With only 26,000 miles on it, it's got tons of life left. This car is going to last for years and years and years. You change the the fluids and the normal maintenance stuff, and you're going to have yourself a great pre-owned vehicle for a long time. This car, EX model, has a moonroof, alloy wheels, power seat, lots of cool features, plenty of room in the back to carry things, haul things, put the kiddos in there, whatever it may be. It's going through our 182-point inspection. We check it over from top to bottom, front to back, side to side. Make sure that the brakes, the tires, the fluids, the filters, everything is up to specification. We back every car that we sell here pre-owned with a guarantee. It's for 3 months or 3,000 miles, whichever comes first. And that covers everything, basically like the new factory warranty, the 3-year, 36,000 mile warranty that you would have got from the factory. We extend that for 3 months or 3,000 miles from the time of purchase. Show you the inside here. It's going to get professionally detailed inside and out, although it's pretty clean. Show you it's got 2 sets of keys. It's got remote start. There's the miles, 26,389. The air conditioning is blowing nice and cold. You got your infotainment system. I'll show you the back there. Show you the moonroof. Lots of cool stuff. Come check it out. Victory Honda of Plymouth, 315 Ann Arbor Road, Plymouth, Michigan. Give us a call, 734-453-3600. This one's going to be going home soon. Thanks.